Hi guys, welcome to this short video about what you can do when your computer is not waking up, like Windows 10 not waking up from external mouse or keyboard. That's usually not so much a problem when you are working in laptop mode with your laptop keyboard, but especially when you're using your laptop as or like a desktop and you don't have access to the power button, you want to reactivate just with mouse and keyboard. That can be a problem, and that's the updated instructions of end of 2019 beginning 2020. Microsoft is constantly working on such updates, so we have to adapt the instructions as well. So first thing, we start down here on the right side where we have this battery icon. We right click on that, go to power options. Then we have these change plan settings. Usually it should come up when I click on that. Then we have the change advanced power settings. And here we have some interesting things. So in total we have 3 sides where we have to work on and 5 things we can change, more or less. So what we have here is the sleep. That's the major part here. We have to check what's doing. Yeah, sleep is usually not so much a problem, but the hybrid I would definitely set to off in the plug-in, and definitely the hibernate is the worst. You have to set this on never. That's definitely an important thing here. Then the USB settings, a lot of people forget the USB settings, and we have to disable the USB selective suspend setting in the plugged-in mode. So disable this thing here as well. So that's it here from the battery setting. Then we have to go to the device manager. We hit the Windows key and type device manager. So that's the thing here. So the things here is the device manager or the keyboard and the mouse. Of course, I would check every keyboard which I have. Sometimes it's difficult where you have to change the settings. So just hit every keyboard you have, go to properties, go to power manager and allow this device to wake the computer. Check this and press OK for every device which you have. Sometimes you go to properties and then there's no power management, so there's nothing to do. Same thing with the mouse. I think there's nothing here and also nothing here, but sometimes you have it here. You see there's no power management here. Sometimes there is. Yeah, here we have same thing, so make sure it is checked here. And that's almost it. The very last thing is only this thing here on the BIOS. So usually you have to, BIOS is totally different for every machine, does not have anything to do with the Windows. Just make sure you have access to that. Usually it's like you have to reboot and instantly hit F2 or something like that, and you get 2 menus. And here we have a sample, like here in the advanced mode there's a wake up on keyboard device. You have to enable that. When it's disabled, yeah, of course you can't wake it up. So but it's totally different for every BIOS and sometimes a little bit hard to find, but usually it should actually be enabled. So these are the 5 things. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.